The hair is amazing. I am here at the Petersen Auto Museum in LA, and I just wanted to bring you along with me to show you some of the amazing cars. If you get a chance to come visit this in person, you need to be here. This place is incredible. Alright, so I'm going to show you just a back row of cars. There's too many cars here. It would take forever to end the video, but I'm going to show you just this back row, because these are the most special, the coolest cars here. This is the 1965 Winfield Reactor Catmobile from the Batman series, 1966 to 1968. Take a look at this thing. Pretty cool. Love to see that on the road, huh? Then you've got the 1966 AMT Piranha. This is really cool. This looks like it could actually be a car on the road, except for the guns sticking out of the front grille right there. Pretty slick, but my favorite car here is the 1966 Black Beauty, the Green Hornet car. This is the car that when this girl's not here, I'm gonna jump in the back. It's gonna happen. In the back of this thing. In the front, you've got the missiles. Let's go back and look at that. You've got the little missiles, the green headlights. But in the back, you've got a guy dressed up as the Green Hornet. How cool is that? Check out the steering wheel. Let's see if I can get the light here with the Hornet on it. This is the real deal, folks. How cool is that? Then from Death Race 2000, we've got the Alligator. This thing is cool. Cooler than any Lamborghini or supercar out there. Let's see this on the road. This thing looks like it was built yesterday. The green alligator skin, faux alligator skin interior. How slick is that? Big monster V8 on the back. Boom. That's pretty cool. But the coolest car here is the Knight Rider. Right, folks? Got the Knight Rider. This is from my era. 1982. Knight Industries 2000 kit. Check this out. I wish they could turn the light on in the front so you can see it. But what's really cool, you can see the incredible black and white, probably color. They faked it back then, who knows. Little color screens, little screens in there, all the buttons, toggle switches. How awesome is this? Pretty cool. But then, and I remember this car sucks. SUX. Probably remember this from RoboCop. This was the car when we all saw it in the movie, that we knew it was just a junker, probably a, I don't know, some kind of Oldsmobile or Caprice that they stuck some fiberglass on, and they did it intentionally so you knew that cars just got worse, and they called it the 6000 Sucks, SUX. American tradition, 8.2 miles per gallon. Pretty cool, kind of like my Dodge. And you've got the Valley Cruiser from Back to the Future. This thing's pretty cool. You can tell that's never been on the road. Then you've got Magnum PI's car. How awesome is this thing? This is cool. This is still a cool car this day. You can't touch these things for less than $100,000. And this is the actual car from Magnum PI. Like, how sick is this car? I'm in love with this thing. Pretty cool, huh? But then you've got to get the Bondmobiles from Die Another Day in 2002 Jaguar XKR. But what the best thing about this car is, aside from the missiles in the front grille, is a machine gun turret on the back. You can see that going down the street in LA. Pretty slick. But then you've got to have the RoboCop police cars. Pretty slick. So that's just a couple cars here at the Petersen Automotive Museum. I highly recommend that you come visit this place if you're into cars, but into movies. All these things are here, and so much more through this place. But I'm not going to keep you all here forever. I'll show you a few of them now with some music and try to burn through these quick so you can at least get a good feel for what's in here. But there's so much more. There's like 3 or 4 floors of this place. So make sure you come visit it in LA, Petersen Auto Museum. thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these cars as much as I did. Don't forget, visit the Petersen Automotive Museum in LA. We just passed 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to make it to 6,000 soon. Take care. Bye.
One chance at best, yes. Painting pictures for the culture, keep the brushes fresh. Flip the cover, work the drummer, passion never rests. Freedom is our teacher, under pressure, now we blessed. See, I was so good for the gold. There's one art, one shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, it's one art, one shot, now the future is yours. Go!